Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the 4 Series 420D Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a quick walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options we have on this stunning vehicle. Starting with the outside of the car, you will see that there is a few subtle differences on the front of this vehicle. That is thanks to this is a facelift model. So the facelift model has a few subtle differences. The headlights have been changed out for a facelifted version, so they are now a LED projector and Angel Eye. We've also got, of course, the performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. So we've got the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, brand new 405M replica alloys with brand new tyres. Down the side we've got side bars, side vinyls and then performance decals. This model also has the lovely privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. Multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We have the gloss black rear boot spoiler. Another addition to the facelift model is the full LED rear tail lights. Inside the boot, plenty of space there, and the seats also do fold if you do require any more room. Alpine white, which is a lovely colour on the 4 Series. Sits very well with the black of the performance kit and the interior, of course. Rear space on the 4 Series is plentiful and of course is all ISOFIX ready. Gloss black air breather for the front brakes. Okay, so I'll quickly jump in and show you some of the interior options we have on this car. Multi-function M Sport steering wheel with the paddle shift, which is quite a rare option on the 2-litre variant of any kind. Heated front seats. We also have the new facelifted version of the professional wide navigation and media. A few changes there. It has the newer connected drive where you can do online search. A wide array of multimedia inputs and of course Bluetooth for multimedia usage and of course telephone calls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 23,000, so very low mileage, automatic lights, automatic wipers and all the usual refinements you would expect on a car of this age. Gloss black, grand piano black trim on the inserts and the brushed aluminium as well. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish the video of the facelifted 420D on the 2017 reg. We hope you found the video useful and we do of course hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, goodbye.